In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to change the language on the Brother DCP-T725DW printer step by step.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Sometimes the printer language is accidentally changed, which makes it difficult to use the device because the menu becomes hard to understand. This can be confusing for many users, especially when they cannot read the selected language. In this video, I will show you a simple way to change the language back and make the printer easy to use again. First, press the menu button on the printer. Use the up or down arrow keys to scroll through the menu and find the desired option. That's right, you need to select the initial setup option and open it. The first option is date and time, the second option is reset, and the language option is shown as 0 on the screen. Select 0 language and confirm it. As you can see, this printer only has 2 language options, English and Chinese. As you understand, English is an international language and is easy for most users to understand. However, if your printer has accidentally been switched to Chinese and you are not familiar with it, we have a very simple and easy solution in this video. Don't forget to like the video. At this step, you need to take your phone, make sure connected to the internet, and open Google Lens. Now you can do something simple with Google Lens. Scan the Chinese text, then tap on Translate to convert it into English. Now you can do something simple with Google Lens. Scan the Chinese text, then tap on Translate to convert it into English. As you can see, we have easily found the initial setup option. Now we will open it to access the language settings. As you can see, using Google Lens, we easily translated the Chinese text into English and restored the printer language back to English. As you saw in this video, even if the printer language is accidentally changed to Chinese, you can easily fix it using Google Lens and return it back to English in a very simple way. This method is quick, practical, and does not require any technical skills. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.